Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Settings immediately. Press the Windows key, type Settings, and hit Enter so you're in control. Once inside, navigate to Personalization. That's where lock screen options live, and make sure you're signed into an admin account because some options require it. If you plan to reuse your current image, back it up now to a folder you'll remember. This avoids hunting later and keeps the process reversible. Now you select Lock Screen from the Personalization menu and decide how it should look. Pick Picture for a static image, Slideshow to rotate albums, or Windows Spotlight for curated photos. You'll click Browse to choose a picture or select a folder for a slideshow. Make sure images are high resolution so they won't appear pixelated. Also configure Quick Status Apps and Screen Timeout. These controls affect what you see and how long. Finish by clicking Apply or Save, then lock the PC with Windows plus L to preview your new lock screen. This confirms everything looks right. If the change doesn't appear, make sure a group policy or registry setting isn't enforcing a corporate image. Check those only if you're comfortable. If problems persist, restart or sign out to force the system to refresh, and if needed, restore the backed up image so you have a known working state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.